Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're signed in, so start by opening Google Contacts directly. This brings you to the master list. Make sure you're on the correct account because restores apply per account. Once done, check that sync is active on your phone or web session so changes propagate. If you see a limited list, don't panic. That's why we'll restore snapshots next. Keep this window open while you perform the next steps to avoid losing context. Now go to More or Settings inside Google Contacts and pick Undo Changes. This restores your contacts to a previous snapshot. Choose the time frame best matching when your list was intact, 15 minutes to 30 days, and confirm. This undoes deletions and merges since that snapshot, which is why it's powerful for accidental wipes. If you exported a CSV or vCard earlier, import it instead. That overwrites or supplements your current list. Wait for sync to finish before checking devices. After the restore, refresh the contacts view and spot check a few important entries to confirm they returned. Make sure you force a sync on your phone or clear the contacts app cache if the web view shows changes but your device does not. If nothing came back, inspect the contacts trash for recently deleted entries or re-import your exported CSV/vCard backup. Finally, make sure you use the same Google account. Restoring under the wrong account won't recover the missing contacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.